You're listening to Haywaa.com. Here is the latest news.
Researchers find AI leads to cultural stagnation. Generative AI, relying largely on human origin content, is found to cause cultural homogenization. Without new data input, AI-generated content converges toward repetitive, uninspired results. Researchers suggest that fostering human-AI collaboration and deviating from norms can alleviate this. The work of Rutgers University's Ahmed El-Gamal highlights the need for addressing generative AI-induced cultural stagnation.
RGB TVs pose a major threat to OLED TVs, promising exciting developments for OLED enthusiasts. 2026 marks a significant shift in the TV landscape, with RGB TVs directly challenging OLED technology by introducing full RGB color support that surpasses existing mini LED backlights. According to tech veteran Al Griffin, RGB TVs offer close contrast to OLEDs, with superior color and brightness, potentially rendering cheaper OLED models less relevant. RGB's promise lies in its efficient light absorption and reduced light leakage, which heightens contrast and color vibrancy. Despite manufacturing challenges and costs that limit OLED's price drops, the fierce competition RGB TVs introduce is seen as an impetus for innovative advancements in OLED technology.
Microsoft unveils Maya 200, its powerhouse accelerator aiming to unlock large-scale AI potential. Microsoft has introduced the Maya 200, a powerful AI accelerator that promises to enhance the performance and efficiency of Azure's AI capabilities. This new hardware, featuring over 100 billion transistors built on TSMC's 3nm process, aims to outperform competitors like AWS and Google's cloud AI infrastructure. With advanced features such as 216GB HBM3E memory, delivering 7 TB per second bandwidth, Maya 200 is expected to deliver up to 10 pflops in FP4 precision. Early access to the Maya 200 SDK is being offered to academics and developers, broadening its potential impact across the tech industry. Scientists warn Earth's lower orbit could quickly collapse. Scientists are warning about the potential collapse of Earth's lower orbit caused by an accumulation of satellites and space debris. This scenario, originally theorized by NASA's Donald Kessler, predicts that a few satellite collisions could trigger a cascade, leading to a debris cloud trapping humanity on Earth. New research suggests a solar storm could set off such a chain reaction, resulting in catastrophic collisions within 5.5 days. Elon Musk's SpaceX, with its large satellite constellation, exemplifies the growing risk of this debris-related crisis. Chinese startup Roalson 6 uses a controversial technique to deliver fast, resilient SSDs with hardware compression. Chinese startup Dapu Store introduces the Roalson 6 R6101C 7.68 TB SSD, achieving record-breaking performance through hardware compression techniques. It uses a DP800 controller with a PCIe 5.0 interface, offering speeds of up to 14,200 megabytes per second for writes and 15,050 megabytes per second for reads. These remarkable speeds depend on data compressibility, prioritizing speed or effective capacity based on workload. Tweaktown rated it near perfect, highlighting its unmatched sequential and mixed workload throughput. Malicious Microsoft VS Code AI extensions might have affected over 1.5 million users. 2 AI extensions on the Microsoft VS Code marketplace have been accused of exfiltrating sensitive user data to Chinese servers, impacting more than 1.5 million users. The malicious extensions, ChatGPT in Chinese and ChatMoss, were designed as coding assistants, but secretly used hidden iframes, commands, and SDKs to harvest data. Security experts at Koi Security revealed the schemes included real-time file monitoring, server-controlled commands, and zero-pixel iframes. Despite discovery, these extensions remain available, as Microsoft is currently examining the case. Claude now integrates more deeply with apps like Canva and Slack. Anthropic's Claude AI now supports deeper integration with applications like Canva and Slack, allowing more robust functionality. This enhancement enables Claude to interact directly with platforms such as Box and Asana, performing tasks like file searches and creating projects from chats. 9 partners, including Figma and Slack, benefit from the new integration capabilities powered by Model Context Protocol, MCP, MCP, having become an industry standard, was made open source by Anthropic and facilitates similar integrations across AI platforms. Scientists studying a 2,000-year-old artifact that resembles a battery. The Baghdad battery, discovered in Iraq nearly a century ago, is a 2,000-year-old artifact speculated to have been a primitive galvanic cell similar to early batteries. Independent researcher Alexander Bezos posits the clay jar, copper vessel, and iron rod structure could have generated 1.4 volts of electricity, comparable to a modern AA battery. Skeptics argue its power output is insufficient for practical use, suggesting alternative ritual uses instead, such as storing prayers or ritually corroding them. Meanwhile, archaeologist William Hafford firmly contends it was a sacred jar for storing prayers, not for electroplating metals. Upscrolled sees a surge in downloads after TikTok's US takeover. Upscrolled, a social app founded by Issam Hijazi, experienced rapid growth following TikTok's US ownership transition, moving to second in social networking in Apple's App Store. The app emphasizes impartiality to political agendas and control for users, mixing Instagram and X features to offer a platform where creators and businesses have power. With 41,000 downloads in 3 days, about a third of its lifetime installs, its downloads increased by 2,850%. Amid user concerns with TikTok's political ties, Upscrolled promises transparency and no shadow banning, attracting 75,000 US-based installs. YouTubers sue Snap for alleged copyright infringement over its AI model training. A group of content creators have taken legal action against Snap, accusing it of using their YouTube videos without consent to train its AI systems. This lawsuit, filed in the Central District of California, follows similar actions they initiated against NVIDIA, Meta, and ByteDance for comparable misuse of content. The creators claim Snap bypassed YouTube's restrictions to leverage datasets originally intended for research, seeking damages and a halt to their content's misuse. Leading the case is the H3H3 Productions channel, along with Mr. Short Game Golf and Golfaholics. Light Lens Lab founder shares effort to replicate rare 25K Leica lenses affordably. I've walked Leica's path. Light Lens Lab was established in 2018 and is known for producing affordable recreations of rare Leica lenses like the 25K Sumilux 35mm f/1.4. Founder Mr. Zoe, a devoted Leica fan, painstakingly replicates these lenses to a 98% match but sells them for far less. Projects often use public patents, and LLL's method involves collaborating with institutions like the Shanghai Institute of Optics and Fine Mechanics. Zoe plans to expand into modern lens recreations and develop a series inspired by cinematic lens designs. Code Vein 2 is all I wanted from a sequel as a fan of the original, except for its poor console performance. Code Vein 2 offers a more refined experience than its predecessor, with an open world that invites exploration and experimentation through the improved Blood Code system. Players can easily switch between builds, trying new weapons and abilities without risk, while the game's narrative offers richly developed characters. Despite its achievements, console players face significant performance issues, with frame rates dropping, especially in outdoor settings. The game is available on multiple platforms, including PS5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC, though console optimization remains a concern. Finketo, CEO. Our tech uses light to manage light, speeding networks by avoiding electronics. Finketo, a UK-based firm, has developed optical packet switches which allow data to remain in the optical domain rather than converting it to electrons. This technological advancement can dramatically enhance the speed of hyperscale networks, potentially making them 1,000 times faster. CEO Mark Rushworth emphasizes the importance of such innovations in meeting the demands of evolving AI networks, providing both energy efficiency and scalability. The company focuses on seamless integration with existing infrastructures, allowing gradual upgrades without the need for complete system overhauls. AI chip startup Recursive reaches $4 billion valuation 2 months post-launch. Recursive Intelligence, launched 2 months ago by former Google researchers, quickly reached a $4 billion valuation by securing a $300 million funding round. The startup focuses on an AI system that can autonomously design and improve AI chips, aiming for breakthroughs in AI chip manufacturing. The recent Series A funding round was led by Lightspeed, contributing to their total fundraising amount of $335 million, initially backed by Sequoia. Investors include DST Global, NVIDIA's InVentures, Felicis Ventures, 49 Palms Ventures, and Radical AI.
You've just heard the latest news. Thanks for listening. This is Haywaa.com.